Makati redefined the central business district. Alabang redefined suburban living. But I believe that Nuvali represents the next evolution of both CBD and the suburban living. Guys, how are you? This is Realtor Mike. In today's video, I will relate to you my personal opinion why I would choose Nuvali over Alabang. Gave me unlimited budget and asked me to choose between Nuvali and Alabang. I would choose Nuvali. Why? Not because Alabang isn't excellent, no, but because I believe that Nuvali represents the next generation of suburban living. I admire Alabang first and foremost, no. It changed suburban living in the Philippines. In the 80s nagsimula yan, no, when there was still so much resistance na ang layo ng Alabang, who would live there? It's impossible. Sobrang probinsya yan na hindi magpa-prosper yung area na yan. They started with Ayala Alabang Village, no, although there were other villages then, Alabang Hills, San Jose Village. Ayala Alabang started with yung country club. So they put up a country club, golf club inside Ayala Alabang. They put in Zobel, the school. And as far back as I remember, no, there's a church and McDonald's pre-Alabang Town Center or simultaneously with Alabang Town Center. Then there's Molito, Philinvest City, and now the Anghari Corridor where the other villages are and the other commercial villages are. There's the Philinvest City adjacent to Ayala Alabang where the central business district is. Yung Madrigal Business Park, they tried to make it the main CBD but for some reason parang mas nagiging CBD nila yung Philinvest, no. There's also Palms Country Club, the driving range, FEU is there, and the residential condos. Of course, yung the big Philinvest Mall. And one of the biggest developments now is that PLDT will have their head office there, parang campus type ala Google, ala Facebook, just across FEU, just outside the Philinvest SLEX exit. And definitely that will spur development in the area. As Rockwell acquired Ayala stake at Alabang Town Center, no? So they're promoting now the so-called Rockwell effect dun sa mga villages, no? The Rockwell effect is that they are saying that Rockwell's buying in of Alabang Town Center and redeveloping the whole complex will add value to Alabang Town Center and all the adjacent villages, the residential and commercial areas. So Alabang is a precursor of Nuvali, no? I think Nuvali will not be Nuvali today without the coming of Ayala Alabang in the 80s and up to now their current development. Having said all the great things about Alabang, no, I'd still choose Nuvali. Why? Because of mainly, no, yung weather, no. 1 or 2 degrees cooler than in Alabang or even in Metro Manila. Plus yung 20 to 30 minutes driving distance to Tagaytay. So you can just imagine the morning breeze here because there are less buildings, and the morning walks, and especially the golf in the area, mas malamig dito, no? If we were to compare the value comparison, no, value, cost, price, lots here in Nuvali, no, range typically from 40,000 to 60,000 pesos per square meter plus minus, no. In Ayala Alabang, it's 160 to 175,000 pesos per square meter, no. But is Ayala Alabang 3 to 4 times better or simply more mature? I'd like you to write your comments below for a healthy discussion. The reason in terms of infrastructure, I think Ayala has learned throughout the years, nag-evolve siya. Every generation learned from one another. Yung Makati in the 50s, the 70s, Alabang in the 80s, 90s, and Nuvali now 2000 to the present. Mistakes were made and corrected. Great qualities were maintained and improved. Sample, during the development of Makati and Alabang, yung mga schools were constructed or were made inside the villages, no? Such as yung Colegio San Agustin, CSA Forever, inside Dasmariñas Village, yung Assumption School inside San Lorenzo Village, no? They also did that in Sobel, in Ayala, Alabang. It served its purpose during that time when population was still low and majority of the students were residents or lived nearby in the adjacent villages. Pero nung dumami yung population, when the school population, mas marami na yung mga non-residents than the residents, the problems started to come up, yung traffic problems, security, and so on and so forth. So, the residents were disturbed. No? Naging issue yan with CSA in Dasma, recently in De La Salle Zobel, in Ayala, Alabang. That's why they moved yung Zobel dun sa Vermosa, just outside the villages. So, yun yung evolution na ginawa nila in New Valley or the greater New Valley area. No? They started with West Grove. So, West Grove, they put Saint Scholastica just outside Ayala, West Grove, and they're doing that in New Valley. No? Yung Xavier School is just outside Trevilla. Yung Miriam School is just outside the villages, and Everest International Academy as well. Also, the churches inside the villages, yung naging concern sa St. James the Great inside Ayala, Alabang Village, ginawa nila is they put the church just outside the village. They started that with West Grove, nasa labas yung church, and they're doing it in New Valley also. Nasa commercial area, in the civic district, yung new church that they're going to build. Part of the infrastructure evolution also, yung mga sizes ng villages, no? They find that yung village in Ayala, Alabang, which is about 600 to 700 hectares, too big. Yan. So they made it in New Valley bite size, 60, 70, 90 hectares, parang more manageable yung mga villages. And then the commercial areas, they spread it around because they studied yung demographics, no? One thing they've learned about developing mga villages, of course, there's economies of scale. Meron nagmamature yung market before you put in the commercial areas. That's why they're allocated commercial areas in New Valley na hindi pa binubuksan. They are slowly opening up, just like Central Block, they're opening up in a few months from now. No? To summarize, the future is still being built here in New Valley. Room to grow, room for improvement. Alabang is a mature estate, mostly built out, highly established and predictable. No? Yung New Valley still unfolding, new villages, new commercial areas, and continuous improvement. Infrastructure is taking place, yung Calax, which is still growing, no? Mag-extend yan up to Nasugbu. So, going to the beaches will be much easier. Yung North-South Commuter Railway na from Tarlac all the way to Calamba will be done in 3 to 5 years. Yung Cavite, Laguna integration, no? Which creeps towards Alabang rin to Makati na Metro Manila will be part of the Macro Manila, Metro Manila part. No? Alabang feels complete, no? And New Valley is just beginning. Conclusion, no? Makati redefined the central business district from the Escolta small central business district. Alabang redefined suburban living, no? In the 80s. No? But I believe that New Valley represents the next evolution of both CBD and the suburban living. Alabang perfected suburban living for its generation. New Valley is redefining it for the next. Yun muna, I hope I have piqued your interest in the area, no, and stimulated some ideas in your mind to consider that New Valley, for me, is better than Alabang at the current time. So yun muna, this is Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for the privilege of your time. God bless. Bye.